Hey guys, welcome to another quick and easy tutorial. And today we'll show you how to track an order on Amazon with a tracking ID. So first things first, open up Amazon in your favorite web browser. From there, go ahead and look at your account and go to your orders list. If you don't have any pending orders, feel free to look at your previous orders. Now, in order to track our Amazon deliveries, we'll be using a website called parcelapps.com. Through parcelapps.com, we can input the Amazon tracking number in the website in order to track the package that way. You can even use that same website to track parcels and orders from AliExpress, Shopee, Lazada, or even UPS and FedEx deliveries. All you need is the tracking ID number from those websites. Once you've inputted the tracking ID number, click on Track Package, and there you go. You are now tracking your delivery using the app. If you found this video helpful, click on the like and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial content. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.